So I'm curious to see the weight difference between the 5-speed and the auto in this car. Get the scale zeroed out. I'm gonna throw the 5-speed on there carefully. This is a glass top scale. Is it visible? 68.2. Write that little number down. 68.2 for the Manuel Trans. Well, I can tell you right now, this is a lot heavier. Come on, zero it out. Zero. Shit, I shouldn't have picked that up. Weighs more than I do. 155.6 pounds. Jesus. That's insane. That's heavier than I expected it to be. Hoo-wee. Almost popped a nut picking that thing up. Okay, one thing I forgot to account for with the 5-speed is the clutch and flywheel. So this is the competition clutch 12-pound flywheel. Let's zero it out. So I got that. The friction disc, pressure plate, become the 22.4. So add that to the 68.2. 90.6. I believe that is correct. I got 68.2 and then 22.4 with the clutch flywheel and all that. So 90.6 compared to 155.6. So that's a weight difference of 65 pounds going from the auto to a manual. So that's an upgrade right there.